Okay, we were just out here playing with the kids. I hope you don't mind.
Good try. Try again.
Oh, I know what I forgot to.
Is that okay for the car there?
Wonderful. Man,
You're gonna have to come back. You're gonna have to come back with a fake, right? Because it's kind of like a rock and roll slide, is what you're doing.
This is my neighbor, Mike.
Hey, Mike and Heather.
Chris, do it again.
So that's like a rock and roll slide you got rolling.
Like, they must be tired from being up too late at Georgia.
Okay, so are we ready to
Okay,
try
have
to put
fun.
this
I'll see
down?
you guys later.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get hot dogs and hamburgers.
Okay.
Nice.
Or if you guys
Hey, where's
wanna
the
join us
steak
later.
on your shirt?
Yes. Yeah, I like
Huh?
that.
I want steak, potatoes, and french fries.
Steak.
You see that, right?
Side salad, too.
Okay, so you'll take over.
Oh, yeah, that's right. I'm driving, huh?
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Got it.
All right.
Hey, look at this, George. What is it?
Hey, what do you think?
Right up
Nice got a square nail here.
Oh, my gosh. Get that out of the street. Wow.
See you later.
Okay, bye, guys. Have fun.
Bye.
Bye, cheerio.
Bye, George.
Okay.
Good try.
All right, sounds good.
I got some moves that I didn't show you.
Thank you for watching and please subscribe.